Welcome to Oroklini Beach, also known as Voroklini Beach, a peaceful stretch of coastline just outside Larnaca, Cyprus. Today's walk begins near the Lebay Beach Hotel and follows the beachside path all the way to the Mercure Hotel, staying close to the sea for the entire journey. This area is loved by locals for its open space, relaxed atmosphere, and long, uninterrupted views of the Mediterranean. Unlike busier tourist beaches, Oroklini feels calm and natural, offering space to walk, think, and simply enjoy the sound of the waves. As we begin, take a moment to slow your pace. Listen to the sea, feel the breeze, and allow the rhythm of the coastline to guide the walk. As we move away from the hotel, the beach path opens up in front of us. The surface is smooth and wide, making it popular with walkers, joggers, cyclists, and families with strollers. To one side, the sea stretches endlessly toward the horizon. On calm days, the water appears almost glassy, reflecting the sky above. Gentle waves reach the shore in a steady, soothing rhythm. To the other side, there are sandy areas with low vegetation and occasional palm trees. This openness creates a sense of freedom. Nothing feels crowded or confined here. The sound of the waves becomes a constant companion along this path. Each wave arrives softly, breaks along the shore, and retreats again. This natural rhythm is one of the reasons people return here again and again. Walking beside the sea has a calming effect, helping to quiet the mind and slow racing thoughts. You may notice how the sound changes slightly as the wind shifts or as the shoreline curves. Sometimes the waves are barely audible, other times more pronounced, but always gentle. Oroklini Beach has a character that feels authentic and unforced. There are no loud beach clubs or rows of umbrellas dominating the view. Instead, the coastline remains open and spacious. Locals often come here for early morning walks or evening strolls. Some walk alone, others with family or friends, and many simply stop to sit and watch the sea. This beach encourages a slower pace. There's no pressure to move quickly or reach a destination. The walk itself is the experience. As we reach the middle section of the path, the scenery remains consistent yet never repetitive. The gentle curve of the coastline keeps the view changing subtly with every step. Small beach access points appear along the way, leading down to the sand. Some people pause here to dip their feet in the water. Others sit quietly and enjoy the view. Benches appear occasionally, offering places to rest. Even stopping for a few minutes feels rewarding, as the sea and sky provide a constantly changing scene. Oroklini Beach is enjoyable throughout the year. In summer, the bright sun and warm water attracts swimmers and sunbathers. In winter, the beach feels even more peaceful, with cooler air and dramatic skies. Spring and autumn are especially pleasant for walking. The temperatures are mild, and the beach feels balanced, alive, but never busy. This makes the path ideal not only for visitors, but for daily local life. It's a place woven naturally into the rhythm of the area. One of the most striking features of this walk is the light. Depending on the time of day, the sea shifts between shades of deep blue, turquoise, and silver. The horizon remains wide and uninterrupted, creating a feeling of openness that's hard to find elsewhere. Looking out to sea, it's easy to feel grounded and present. This openness invites reflection. Many people come here not just to walk, but to think, reset, and reconnect with themselves. As we move closer to the Mercure Hotel, subtle signs of nearby accommodation appear. Despite this, the beach retains its relaxed atmosphere. More people may be visible here, enjoying the water or walking along the path, but the space never feels crowded. The balance between development and nature remains gentle, allowing visitors to enjoy comfort without losing the natural charm of the coastline. This final stretch of the walk invites you to slow down even more. The path remains smooth, the sea stays close, and the horizon continues to guide the view forward. Each step feels unhurried. There's no rush to reach the end, only the quiet satisfaction of walking beside the water. Moments like these remind us that simple experiences can be deeply rewarding. As we reach the area near the Mercure Hotel, the walk gently comes to a close. The beach path continues beyond, but this marks the end of our journey today. Oroklini Beach offers something increasingly rare: space, calm, and simplicity. It's a place where the sea sets the pace and walking becomes a form of relaxation. Take a final look along the coastline. Notice how the path stretches behind you, quietly inviting future walks. Thank you for joining this beachside walk from Lebay Beach Hotel to the Mercure Hotel along Oroklini Beach. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, goodbye from the coast of Cyprus.